This is Luxembourg Superpower, a miniature mirror of our societies, an open-air field of observation for social sciences. One area is mobility and density. Why are some areas crowded while others are not? Movements are never completely random. Let's find somebody to interview.
Hi, sir. Why did you come to this particular spot?
I'm supposed to pick up my kids here.
Why exactly here?
Well, it's really central and there's a lot of space so I can see them easily, and also it's close to my favorite ride.
This one?
No, that one.
At the fair, we can also look at inequalities and invisibilities.
How often do you visit Superpower each year?
Just once.
Why only once?
It's a big expense for our family. Games, rides, drinks, and food.
We are having a bit of fun here, but observing the fair is like observing society in miniature. It reveals behaviors, inequalities, forms of coexistence. The social sciences help us understand this phenomena, not for the sake of mere observation, but to act more effectively.
By identifying the mechanisms at work, we can design public policies which are fairer, better targeted, and better adapt to the realities on the ground, to better shape our cities, our policies, and our shared life together.